Welcome to Cute Animal Wonders. Picture yourself in the scorching Sahara Desert, and suddenly a tiny, charming creature with oversized ears and soft fur appears. That's the Fennec Fox. Known for its incredible adaptability and adorable looks, this fox is truly one of a kind. From surviving without water to its playful, nocturnal habits, it's full of surprises. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive into 4 fascinating facts about the Fennec Fox that will capture your heart. Fact 1. The largest ears in the world when compared to body size. Fennec foxes are known for their enormous ears, which make up 1/3 of their body length. These ears aren't just for hearing distant sounds, but also act as natural cooling fans, helping them stay cool in scorching desert heat. Beyond their iconic appearance, the Fennec fox's ears reveal fascinating details about their life. They use these sensitive ears to communicate within their groups, creating a unique social dynamic. The large size also helps them detect temperature changes in the air, keeping them alert to potential threats. Truly, these ears play remarkable roles in their survival. Fact 2. Impressive jumping ability. Despite their small size, Fennec foxes have incredible jumping skills. From a standing position, they can leap as high as 60 centimeters and as far as 120 centimeters. This ability helps them easily escape larger predators and efficiently chase prey in the harsh desert terrain. Did you know their strong legs also allow them to dig burrows quickly, a crucial skill for sheltering from the scorching heat of the day? Watching their agile and swift jumps, don't you think they resemble tiny track and field athletes? Look at how playful they are. Running around on the bed shows just how full of energy and mischief these little foxes can be. Aren't they adorable? Fact 3. Surviving without drinking water. Fennec foxes have mastered the art of survival in the desert. They don't need to drink water because they cleverly extract moisture from their food, like insects, fruits, and roots. This incredible adaptation not only keeps them hydrated, but also makes them one of the most efficient creatures in arid climates. Imagine thriving in such harsh conditions without a single drop of water. Truly remarkable, isn't it? Fact 4. Nocturnal lifestyle. Fennec foxes are the desert's nocturnal adventurers. During the day, they stay cool by resting in their underground burrows, avoiding the blazing heat. But when night falls, they come alive, using their sharp hearing and keen sense of smell to hunt in the dark. Their diet includes insects, small mammals, and plants, making them versatile feeders. Interestingly, their night vision isn't as strong as their hearing, so they rely heavily on sound to locate prey. This nocturnal behavior is a clever adaptation, helping them thrive in extreme desert conditions while avoiding predators and the harsh sun. Truly, Fennec foxes are masters of the night. This clever nocturnal lifestyle not only keeps them safe from predators, but also allows them to conserve energy while thriving in one of the harshest and most unforgiving climates on Earth. Now let's enjoy some of the cutest moments of Fennec foxes. Before we dive into the tips for keeping a fennec fox as a pet, it's important to remember that these are wild animals by nature. In some places, owning them might be restricted or even illegal. Always check local laws and regulations before considering one as a pet. Moreover, their well-being should always be the top priority, and they require proper care to thrive. Let's explore some essential tips to ensure they stay healthy and happy. Tip 1. Living environment. Fennec foxes need a spacious and well-designed environment that aligns with their natural behaviors. Make sure to provide a safe and comfortable space, which can include areas with sand or soft soil for them to dig freely. This is not just an instinct, but also a way to relieve stress and maintain mental health. Additionally, note that the environment should be protected from harmful factors, such as extreme cold or heat, as fennec foxes are accustomed to desert conditions. Ensure that the temperature in their living area remains stable, ideally between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Lastly, provide toys or items for them to explore, as fennec foxes are highly curious and active animals. This not only keeps them entertained, but also reduces the risk of destructive behaviors caused by boredom. Tip 2. Diet. A healthy and balanced diet is essential for keeping a fennec fox in good condition. They require high-quality protein sources such as meat, insects, and even eggs, combined with a small amount of fruits and vegetables to provide vitamins and fiber. Be sure to avoid inappropriate foods, especially fast food or processed items, as these can seriously harm their sensitive digestive system. A regular feeding schedule will help them maintain optimal energy and activity levels. Tip 3. Behavior and interaction. Fennec foxes are wild animals that retain many of their natural instincts, even when kept as pets. You need to take the time to understand their behavior. Start by building trust through gentle and patient interactions. One important thing to note is that they are nocturnal, which means they are most active at night. Be prepared for noise or activity during late hours. Additionally, fennec foxes are highly curious and love to explore, so ensure their environment is safe and free of hazardous objects. Each fennec fox has a unique personality. Some may be shy and reserved, while others are friendly and full of energy. Respect their pace, create a safe environment, and give them time to adapt. Tip 4. Medical care. Medical care is a critical aspect of keeping a fennec fox, especially because they are wild animals. Make sure you find a veterinarian experienced with exotic animals. Regular health checkups are essential to ensure their well-being. Additionally, it's important to note that some health issues in fennec foxes might not be immediately noticeable. They are excellent at hiding signs of illness, so you need to closely monitor their behavior and habits. The cost of medical care for fennec foxes can be quite high, so plan your finances and ensure you have the resources to meet their needs in the long run. You should also research common illnesses in fennec foxes to recognize early warning signs and take timely action. Preventative care is crucial, and regular vaccinations, along with routine checkups, can help protect them from serious diseases. Fennec foxes are incredibly adorable creatures, but keeping them requires significant responsibility. Before deciding to own one, carefully consider their needs and the conditions required to ensure their happiness and health. Additionally, remember that fennec foxes are symbols of the wild. If you cannot meet their special care requirements, the best way to support them is by contributing to conservation organizations that protect their natural habitats. Let's work together to safeguard this charming species and other wildlife around the world. Protecting the natural habitat of fennec foxes not only ensures their survival, but also preserves the ecosystems they are an essential part of. You can start with small actions, such as raising awareness or donating to nonprofit organizations. Alongside conservation efforts, your admiration for this species can inspire others to join in safeguarding wildlife. What's your favorite feature of the fennec fox? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss more amazing videos from cute animal wonders. Thank you for watching!